Okay, I'm in a Vauxhall Vivaro. I got a check engine light on. Apparently, it's got lack of power. I haven't road tested it. Just gonna check it for fault codes using this launch. See if it can find it itself. Fault codes. Here's what they all are: diesel particulate filter, low efficiency, add-on heater, relay 2. So I think these cars have extra glow plugs in the cooling system to heat the coolant up. Glow plug feedback, I could check those glow plugs, see what's happening. Low efficiency in the DPF, so it could be another fault in the system that's stopping it to do a regen. Engine oil life exceeded, performance, might be needing an oil change and resetting the service. Also had CAN communication faults, no communication with the electronic climate control. Less communication with the transmission control module. Well, it doesn't have automatic transmission, so I'm not too fussed about that. Then we'll look at this, the glow plugs, the oil life, the glow plugs, and the DPF's the problem. We're trying to get it to regen, figure out why it's got no power as well. These are the ones, I'm not going to worry about them just yet. I'm going to stick with the engine, no power and the lights on. Sometimes when things don't make sense, I just think it might just be the scan tool and not the car. But I also use the scan tool to check in the OBD or the OBD2. This one's only saying about oil deteriorated on the glow plug and the heater. Last one, we've got the ash accumulation. So there must be too much soot built up in it. I might be able to reset everything and do a force regen, but it's not going to do that if it's got other faults in the system. It might be able to take care of itself though and regen itself. If that one's a bit high, I'll go and maybe check the pressures in there. Pending, current, glow plug circuit, heater, circuit A. So I'm going to look at these two. The oil deteriorated, that might need reset. If it's had a service, it might just need to be reset. And the glow plug, heater circuit. Here I've had a quick look at this plug connector for this. That's for the glow plugs. We've got the 4 glow plugs. At the bottom 4 wires. So we've got like this one, and the purpley violety one. And then on this side, the green. And that's the last one. Kind of brown, I think. If we check those, it says light's connected to power. So if it goes through here and makes a contact, that one's not lighting. I think the other 4 are. So I think we got a glow plug circuit A fault, that sort of beige colour, creamy or whatever. There's that one, whatever glow plug that is, needs replaced. I can go and check at the other end, figure out which one it is. So now I know why that light's coming on. It's because of a glow plug. Now I've matched up the wire colour at the other end, that whatever colour it is. And I take my test light that's still connected to the power over there, so if I touch the ground, it'll light. If I touch the top of that glow plug, that's better. I'm on the top of the glow plug, and as you can see it's not lighting, so it should do. It's this one right at the back here, although that was a black one that was in it, it was that one. I tested the relay and it was faulty. When I energized it, it just didn't make a circuit. So I changed that. There was also a glow plug that was faulty. I changed the glow plug, reset the lights, and the engine lights out. What I did get after that was another fault, which was P242F DPF ash accumulation. So I tried to do a regen, but it said it was too choked. But at least now it should be able to. I think before it wasn't able to do a regen. Now that I've done all that, I'm able to do a regeneration with the snap-on. I couldn't do that with the launch. It said there was too much soot in the DPF, so it wouldn't let me do it. This one's been happy for me to do it, and the soot level's coming down. It was 60 grams before. It's been going for about 15 minutes, I think. And see how far it comes down. It wouldn't let you do this regen before, and I think that's because that relay that I replaced with was for controlling the fans. So it obviously needs to know the fans are going to work, and it needed that glow plug in here. So it looks like this will be a success. Let's see what else we've got showing here. 619 degrees upstream of the turbo 480, and then we're back to the beginning. Hopefully it won't take too much longer.